Ever found yourself tangled in a mess of micro USB cables? Well, here's why this outdated tech should have been retired years ago. In this video, we're diving into why micro USB is still lurking in the shadows of gadgetry and what the future holds for this connector chaos. Stick around and remember to subscribe if you're ready to free up your tech life. Despite USB-C's debut in 2014, we're still tangled in the micro USB web in 2025. But why? From my portable printer to everyday appliances, it seems we're stuck in a time warp. Join me as I explore what's keeping us attached to this old connector. Is it cost? Supply chains? Let's break it down. Consider your gadget's refresh cycles. They could be a decade old. Picture airplanes with a lifespan of 30 years still sporting what seems ancient tech. The USB Implementers Forum tells us it's all about logistics and cost, but is saving a few pennies really worth the price of inconvenience? What's on the horizon? The European Union's new regulation pushing USB-C as the universal standard could be the game changer we've been waiting for. Yet, as we embrace this wave, printers and quirky gadgets might still hide a micro USB port in their specs. So, is hope on the way? Or are we facing a long transition? To wrap it up, while tech giants follow the EU's lead, one day you'll say goodbye to your micro USB cables for good. What do you think? Will this shift truly revolutionize our tech experiences? Comment below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tech unraveling right here.